Hello everyone. Today uh, we will I will show you how you can do this. How to add custom color schemes to your Shopify store. It's you will get this tutorial on newstoresmaker.com. So let's see how we can make it by following their tutorials. First, I want each Shopify section to have its own background, text, and accent colors without editing themes, CSS, or duplicating styles. This tutorial shows you how to add custom color pickers, generate CSS variables, and optionally add colored presets your clients can select from. You will learn how to add colors. So we will learn from this tutorial is how to add color pickers inside a Shopify section and generate CSS variables for live theme editor previews and create optional light dark accent presets, then allow block label color overrides. Step 1, create the section file. Create a new file inside is sections. Let's create a section file. So we'll do this on this our development store, which we are using Horizon theme. Let's edit this theme code and also edit theme customization panel so we can see what's happened. Let's go to the tutorials. First we need to create a sections file which names. Let's copy this and then go to the section folder and create a file and paste these things. I just want to add a code here which is unique. Okay, then go back to here and then paste the full code below on this file. The full code is here, so you can copy the full code from the step 2. Let's copy this, scroll down and scroll down and schema. This is the full code. Let's copy and paste how it is here. So it's very simple. I just copy this code and paste here, and let's try to save. And the file has been saved. Go back to the tutorial. Step 3 is how this works. Number 1, color pickers in theme editor. Schematics color pickers for background text, adding accents, and then inner CSS variable. We inject the value directly into the section elements style. These sections color and the 3 scoped styles. All CSS is scoped to this section instance section. Okay, step 4, optional features, I guess. Okay, let's check our theme. Let's check it. Go to the customization panel and reload this page. Reload. Then if we check this section, which is T, what was our section name? Our section name was custom color schemes. Find it. Custom color schemes. Click here, and you can see there is a section which is here, custom color schemes name, and on the right hand we can see there is a title which is it, and the description, and then we have background color, text color, heading color, accent color, as like our theme color options. So what we can do with this cards is let's add an image here. Anything like this. Now we can place a heading. There is first card, and content is first card content, and the card background we can use a background which is black, and card text color we can use something different like blue. You can see just change the background color black, from black to gray or white. Yeah, we can see this color. And what you can do with these options, this color, I think this should be changed. This yeah, it's changed everything, make it red or not changing anything. Okay, we have done, and we can use create another card, something like this. It is another card. Let's save, and we are done. We have just created a new section which is custom color schemes. I would like to change the section color, just adding ZSD and my code also here, and we have done, and so we are done here. Thanks for watching, and you can find more tutorials like this on here on Stores Maker. Yes, you can find more here, more tutorial, and you just following this you can build like beautiful card, pricing plans, all those are dynamic section. So just open it and follow the tutorial, and you can build this beautiful product card, or it will be just copy and paste code. So you can try anytime in this URL. Thanks for watching.